time to start a new bullet journal. So let's dive in and unbox my brand new fresh bullet journal, as well as giving it a custom look for the upcoming new year of 2026. So grab yourself a nice cup of coffee or your beverage of choice and let's unbox and get creative. As always, I absolutely love my Leuchtturm 1917 journals with the 120 gram paper in the dotted version. And I've been using this journal in A5 for quite a while now for my bullet journal, and I do prefer this plain journal over the bullet journal branded one, as it doesn't have the raised bullet journal script at the top. So that's why I prefer this one and been using that for a while. I absolutely love that it comes with numbered pages and everything is kind of ready to go. The only thing you have to bring to the table is whatever you want your pages to be in your bullet journal. Here you see me flicking through last year's bullet journal to just show a bit that there is no ghosting and you have definitely no bleed through or anything, even with the heavy black, and that's perfect. I really love this paper for that. Now let's get into the unboxing and the customization of the journal for 2026. It's always so satisfying to peel off the foil kind of thing around the journal. I don't know, I really love that, even though this time it really did give me a hard time. So but now we're here and the brand new crisp journal is out of its packaging. I don't know, I'm always getting super excited for the fresh start when I hold the new blank bullet journal in hand. I really don't know, it always gives me such a kick to get a new fresh journal to start. So as always, the Leuchtturm journals come with those little name stickers and some brochures, but I always just tuck them in the bag and never use them, to be honest. But it's nice to have for people who like to label their journals, so I think it's good that the journal comes with it. So now let's just have a bit of a closer look at the paper. I feel like the dotted aren't as heavy as in the bullet journal as well, and you always got the table of contents in the beginning. And as I said already, the numbered pages are an essential thing for me. So now let's make this book a bit more interesting as the views from last year, where I did just use some black journals, but I really still love my journal from 2024 for the tarot card on the front that I designed myself. So I decided to just get out some adhesive vinyl again and my silhouette cutting machine and get to the personalization. After the cutting comes now the tedious part of peeling away all the parts of your motif that you don't want on your journal or your surface later. So this one always takes a lot of patience and kind of detailed work. So I did sped up this footage quite a lot because I thought it might get a bit boring seeing me peeling away all this little details, and also as it's white on white you can't really see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm trying to decide which part should be on the journal and just peeling away the rest. Now, what about you? Are you excited as I am for the fresh start of your journal or your bullet journal for 2026? Or do you even start a new journal for the upcoming new year? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Now we are ready for the next step, where we will need some transfer tape to get all the motif incomplete with everything at the right place onto the journal from our kind of back sheet of the vinyl. So I did cut my transfer tape to size so that I don't waste a lot of tape, and then we peel the backing from this, press it gently onto our vinyl motif, and then peel it off from the kind of backing tape of the vinyl to then transfer it, you guessed it, onto our journal. And I'm super excited how this one turned out. It's always, I don't know, I feel like it's such a nerve-wracking part of the process, because you want to make everything right now that you worked such a long time on the motif. And I feel like it's always such a exciting but also like kind of nerve-wracking moment in the process. But I'm really happy how this turned out for the journal, and I can't wait to dive into this journal and set it up for 2026. So I hope you stay excited for that. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the 2026 bullet journal fun and a bunch of other creative fun still coming at the end of 2025, and then way into 2076 as well. We will stay here and just go on creative adventures together and enjoy the creative journey. maybe you caught the glimpse here at the 2026 bullet journal setup. This will be coming very, very soon. I will leave a link in the little info card and the description down below if it's already up on the channel, so you can check that out if you want to see what I did to the inside of this beautiful, lovely new journal. But for now, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very, very soon.